Thank you, Donors Shoes, and thank you, donors, for your generosity.
I am Teacher Nathan or simply Mr. A. I hope
Isang Nathan Tanging araw sa inyong lahat, mga Nathan Tangi! Ngayong araw, magbubukas tayo ng ating package mula sa donorschoose.org dahil ang ating project read ay na-approve na at pinadala na nila ang kanilang package para sa ating mga minamahal na mga mag-aaral. Tara, samahan niyo akong mag-unbox ng package na ito. So, ang request natin na project ay, sa project read ay isang iPad na 9th generation na kung saan gagamitin natin for progress monitoring ng ating mga learners. So, ginagamit po itong item na ito for progress monitoring at the same time for testing ng ating mga kids. So, malaking tulong po ito sa ating mga second graders.
It was so heartwarming to see people coming together to support my project. Every donation, no matter how big or small, brought us one step closer to our goal. Project Read, or Reading Empowers Academic Development, aims to implement a targeted reading skills improvement program that encompasses a range of strategies designed to meet the diverse needs of our students. With this project, we can dive deeper into subjects, explore new concepts, and spark curiosity in ways we never thought possible. It's a game changer for all of us second graders, and it's all thanks to the incredible support we received from the generous sponsors and donors. Special mention to Sir Patrick Ignacio, Sir Norman Bercasio, and to the 2 anonymous donors who gave their support to this project. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Donors Shoes, and thank you, donors, for your generosity. Malaking tulong po ito sa ating mga second graders.
hello and let's go.